Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Okay, today we will learn in chapter 14. The material is strong wind. And before we enter this material, I will ask you to practice how to read well, and I will read it first and then you repeat after me. Okay? And the first is wind.
Wind.
The second is a warrior.
Warrior.
The third is asleep.
Asleep.
The next invisible.
Invisible.
And the next rope.
Arrow.
And the next gentle.
Gentle.
The next jealous.
Jealous.
The next remain.
Remind.
The next burn.
Burn.
And I think enough. And the next, this is vocabulary builder. And in the 184 page, and you must match the word with their Indonesian equivalents. Compare your work to your classmate. Okay? And the next is narrative text. Everybody know what the meaning of narrative text?
No.
Okay, I will explain to you what the meaning of narrative text. Narrative text is a story with complication or problematic events, and it tries to find the resolution to solve the problems. An important part of narrative text is the narrative mode, the set of methods used to communicate the narrative through a process narration. And the next, the purpose of narrative text. Everybody know what the purpose of narrative text?
No.
Okay, I will explain it. The purpose of narrative text is to amuse or to entertain the reader with a story. And the next is generic structure of narrative text. This is important in the narrative text because the first orientation sets the scene where and when the story happened and introduce the participants of the story. And the second, complication, tells the beginning of the problem which lead to the crisis or climax of the main participant. And the third, resolution, the problem or the crisis is resolved either in a happy ending or in a sad or tragic ending. The fourth, reorientation or coda. This is a closing remark to the story and it is optional. It consists of a moral lesson, advice, or teaching from the reader. And the next, it is reading comprehension, and open your book page 185. Okay. Task 1. This is task 1. You must work this task 1 and read the story and fill in the blank with the following words: tremble, lying, jealous, bow, low, fine, invisible, rope, gentle, rocks. And I will give you time 15 minutes until 20 minutes to do these tasks. Okay?
Yes.
I think enough, and we will answer these tasks together. Okay?
Yes.
We will read together. Strong wind. Okay, I will read and you will answer, okay?
Yes.
Strong wind. Once there was a great warrior named Strongwind. He lived with his sister in a tent by the sea. Strongwind was able to make himself. What is answer?
Invisible.
Okay, right. His sister could see him, but no one else could. He had said he would marry the first woman who could see him as he came at the end of the day. And many women came up to his tent to watch for him. When his sister saw him coming, she would ask, "Do you see him?" Each girl would answer, "Oh yes, I see him." Then Strongwind's sister could ask, "What is he pulling his shield with?" And then the girls would answer with a what the answer? It's number 2.
Number 2. I don't know.
Number 2. You don't know? Okay, I will answer. This answer is rope. Okay?
Rope. Okay.
Yes. Or with a wooden pole. Then Strongwind's sister would know that they were lying because their guesses were wrong. A chief lived in a village. His wife had died, and he had three daughters. One was much younger than the other two. She was gentle, kind, and beautiful. But her sister were, what the answer? Number 3?
Jealous.
Okay, right. Of her and treated her badly. They cut off her long black hair and they made her wear rings. They also burned her face with coals so that she would be ugly. They lied to their father that she did this thing to herself, but she remained calm and what the answer? Number 4.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, I will answer, and this answer is gentle. Okay.
Okay.
The two older sisters also went to try and see Strongwind. When he was coming, Strongwind's sister asked them, "Do you see him?" "Oh yes, I see him," each of them answered. "What is his bow made out of?" asked Strongwind's sister. "Out of iron," answered one. "Out of wood," answered the other. "You have not seen him," said Strongwind's sister. Strongwind himself heard them and knew that they had lied. They went into the stand, but still they could not see him. They went home very sad. One day the youngest daughter went to try and see Strongwind. She was wearing what the answer? Number 5.
Rock.
Okay, right. And burn covered her face. People laughed at her, but she kept going. When she got to Strongwind, then she waited. When Strongwind was coming, his sister asked the girl, "Do you see him?" "No," the girl answered, "I don't see him." Strongwind's sister was surprised because the girl had told the third. "Now, do you see him?" asked Strongwind's sister. "Yes," answered the girl. "No, I do see him. He is very wonderful." Okay. The next. What it is? What the answer? Number 6.
Bow.
Okay, right. Made of axe, Strong Wind's sister. The rainbow answered the girl. And what is the bowstring made of? Asked Strong Wind's sister. Of star, answered the girl. Then Strong Wind's sister knew that the girl could really see him. He had let her see him because she had told the third. You really have seen him, said Strong Wind's sister. Then the sister was the girl, and all the burns went away. Her hair grew
Long.
long, right, and black again. The sister raised the girl in number 8.
Number 8. Fine.
Okay, right. The girl's two older sisters were very angry, but Strong Wind turned them into aspen trees. Ever since that day, the leaf of the aspen tree always. Number 9.
I don't know.
Okay, I will answer number 9. This answer is terrible, okay?
Terrible. Okay.
With fear wherever he comes near, because they know he remembers their. Number 10.
I don't know.
You don't know? Number 10, this answer is lying, okay?
Okay.
The next is, okay, before next presentation, the next material of presentation, this is one of example from narrative text, okay?
Okay,
Do you
Miss.
understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, this is text 2, and this is a question from Strong Wind. I think you must do in your home, and the next weeks we will correct together, okay?
Yes.
Okay, the next is text structure. I will explain from the narrative text Strong Wind, and setting and character this is part of narrative is setting and character. Purpose to introduce settings and character. The tales: there was a great warrior named Strong Wind. He lived with his sister in tent by the sea, and his sister could see him, but no one else could. He would marry the first woman who could see him. Okay, and the next text structure from the narrative text Strong Wind. Okay, setting and character. Details. In details, this is there was until see him, and the conflict. Many women came up to his tent to watch for him, and Strong Wind's sister would know that they were lying. Okay, and the plot. This is achieved until remain claim, and plot reaching action. This is two older sisters went to try to meet Strong Wind, and they lied. Plot climax. The young sister also went to try to meet Strong Wind. She did not tell a lie. Strong Wind let her see him. She regained her beauty, and the both married. And the plot falling action. This is the elder sister got angry, and Strong Wind turned them into aspen trees. Okay, I think enough from this material today. And any question for you guys?
No.
Okay, I think you all know,
No.
you all understand from this material today, and Are you happy to study narrative text?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Don't worry. From your homework to correct next week, and we will answer together next week. And I think enough. And I'm sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dan